Maybe it's time we did something for our kids. Hello, YouTube family. Guess what? I found this book. It is super, super awesome. I opened with, maybe we should do something for our kids. For a change should be at the end. When we think about preparedness, we don't really think about our kids because we're always thinking about cans and medicine and boom boom sticks and things like that. But the reality is that our schools are not teaching our kids the things they need to know. And as parents, some of us are dropping the ball. Now, what I have found is this awesome book called What School Should Have Taught You? 75 skills you can actually use in real life. No joke. This is the real deal. I'll put a link down below. It's a simple little book. I do recommend that you get it on hardback, but you can also get it on Kindle or whatever. But this is something that you can give to your kids, okay, that they can take to college with them, that they can start learning immediately. Because kids don't like to be told what to do. They like to think it was their idea. And if you can slip them this little book right here, guaranteed. We have seen a change in our children as well. Let's see. What do we got here? Cars, money, food, health, safety, home, life, job, school, how to apply to college, all about insurance, basic etiquette, how to shop for an apartment, general safety, what do you do if you get mugged, how to negotiate, kitchen utensils and the ones you'll need. What do we got here? How to change a flat tire, how to jumpstart a car. In the money section, how to maintain a budget. All right, guys. In this short little video, I hope that you got the point. Once again, I will leave a link down below. It's also on my Amazon store. Yeah, I sell it. So what? Deal with it. I've got mine. You get yours. It's that easy. All right, guys. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it, and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.